delicious Jamaican Bulla Cake. Yes, this one is a must try. So if you love what you're seeing so far, please watch along and watch me as I complete this one. So welcome back to the channel. To my returning supporters, thank you guys so much. For those of you coming for the first time, please tap the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So here's a run through of the ingredients. We have some grated ginger. We have this bowl with cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger powder, salt. And in that bowl we have some brown sugar. And this is my pineapple juice. We have our molasses. That's molasses, yes. That's going to give it a nice flavored. And here I'm using some all-purpose flour, and we're using 3 cups. I'm going to put the full ingredients in the description box below. And we're going to use baking soda and baking powder. So we're going to combine all the dry ingredients and put aside. So just continue watching. Now let's combine all the wet ingredients. Here I have some melted butter. I'm adding that to the pineapple juice. I'm going to add some vanilla, my molasses, the brown sugar, and the grated ginger. And we're just going to mix this well. And then we're going to combine this with the dry ingredients. So watch along, guys. Now that we have knead our dough and we get a nice smooth dough, we're going to flour our work surface, flour our rolling pin, and roll this out. And we're going to roll them to the thickness of your choice. and then you're going to cut to the size of your choice as well. So if you don't have a cutter as I'll be using, you can use a bowl or a glass to get the size of your choice. So just watch along, guys. Oven is already preheated, or baking tray grease, and we're going to put these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And we're just going to brush the top of these with some butter, and then we can serve. These are flavored with pineapple and ginger. You can totally omit and add just the plain ingredients like molasses. So we're just going to arrange these, and I'm going to serve these with some cheddar cheese that I have. I don't have any pear, so I'm just going to serve this up with some cheese. And there is the inside of my bulla, guys. Yes, kitchen smells so good. So if you enjoy this one, please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and if it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official member of the family. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.